Hello everyone, just a quick video on how to log in to your online classes at Spectrum Art Creations Academy. Very simply, to access your online classes once you are a member, all you have to do is come to our YouTube channel. No need to go anywhere else. Once there, you'll see this bar up at the top. You're going to click on the membership tab located here and on the top at the right hand side. Once you've clicked on that, it's going to open up your academy classes, announcements, and so much more. There you'll be able to see all the classes that are coming up as well as all the events that have passed. And once you want to see a class or attend it if it's in the past, or maybe see what the supplies are going to be for an upcoming class, you will click on the class that you want. Once there, you'll click on the More button to open up the description box for that class. And there you'll have all the information you need for that class. Of course, if you have additional questions, you can always post them in the comments. If you are not already a member of the Academy, well, we certainly hope that you'll consider becoming a member. I will leave a link at the end of this video. But in short, Spectrum Art Creations Academy is a place where you can attend online workshops and classes from the comfort of home. Now, why should you join the Academy? Well, for all these reasons and so much more. Yes, it is a flat monthly fee for all of your classes, and of course you can cancel at any time, but we are positive that you're going to love. So why not join today? In addition to all that, you get all of the following perks also made available to you, plus so much more. Once again, I'm going to leave a link here at the end of this video. Feel free to go ahead and click on that and learn more about how to join today. In addition, if you have not already visited our online stores, we certainly hope that you do. We have 2 online stores full of thousands of amazing products ready to serve you. And that, of course, you join us here on our Saturday sales for live YouTube sales. That's right. It's actually live here on our channel. You can actually see the product live. You can chat live. You can shop live from the comfort of home, and you can join in on the games and giveaways. Again, all from the comfort of home without ever having to leave or worry about parking or anything else. Products from all around the world. Make sure you also follow us on Instagram, as well as join our Facebook group, Spectrum Art Creations Friends. If you haven't already joined, make sure that you do so, and when you request to join, please make sure that you answer the questions. We look forward to having you join the Facebook group as well as the Spectrum Art Creations Academy. See you there soon.